Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, so problem 50 has two parts. First is, what exactly was the plague of Athens? You'll find that a lot of sort of historical epidemics has gotten called plagues just due to a lack of scientific understanding of the time. Okay, so what is the plague of Athens? Well, in 430 BC, okay, this is during the Peloponnesian War, right? So this is when Athens was fighting the Peloponnesian War, which is not a good time for an epidemic to break out, that's for sure. And what happened was they lost 25% of their troops to this plague, right? So 25% of the troops and much of the population as well died from this disease, okay? And more recently, with some remains recovered from a mass grave, the University of Athens sequenced this bacteria and found it to be a strain of Salmonella. And this particular strain of Salmonella is known to cause typhoid fever. Okay. So likely the culprit of this plague of Athens was typhoid fever. Okay, and then we sort of move on to this second part of the question, and that is, what is this disease doing today? So typhoid fever today, is it still around? Is it killing people? What's going on? Okay, so typhoid fever today, well, it does in fact still exist. Salmonella, I'm sure most people who eat out at fast food have heard of salmonella. It's actually not an uncommon sort of bacteria to exist. Okay, and it's spread through feces, and so in overcrowded areas, it can spread quite easily. And so today, about 16 to 33 million cases sort of reemerge annually, so per year. And this results in, 200,000 deaths per year, which is a big number. So it's actually still very prevalent. All right, so if we just look through our choices here for problem 50, we can line this up and see that the plague of Athens was caused by Salmonella, right? We see that here, and that it causes over 200,000 deaths here. So the answer we're looking for is D.